Hey Fun Venture friends. Hey, just wanted to do a little bit of a tutorial. I got one coming up. Pretty stoked to see what you think of it. But basically, I had always wanted to ride wheelies, slow wheelies. I'd always wanted to learn how to ride slow wheelies. We all see Graham Jarvis doing them, and you're like, I want to do those. I want to do a slow wheelie. I want to learn how to do it. How do I do slow wheelies? And so we all see people practicing, goofing off, wanting to learn how to do slow wheelies, and very few people actually ever do learn how to do them. In fact, I'm gonna call one of my buddies out right now, and I'm gonna say, Tony, one thing you had said to me back in the day was, I'm gonna learn how to do slow wheelies before I die. Well, buddy, you aren't riding that much anymore these days, so I'm calling you out. Let's get you on the slow wheelie train, bro. So anyhow, we're going to be doing a slow wheelie tutorial. Today's just a prequel. Please do stay tuned, and we will we'll go and see if we can give some pointers that I've learned over time and lots of hours of practice and trials. And I think there's honestly some real ways to make it a heck of a lot easier. You can do it on any bike. This is a TE300. Man, you could do it on a CRF. In fact, I think it's a little easier to learn them on smaller bikes, but it actually also at the same time isn't really the same exact feel when I do it on a smaller bike. So personal preferences, I think 300 two-strokes or two-strokes in general are slightly easier to do them on, but you can do them on any bike. When I jump on my four-stroke, I feel like it's a slight bit harder to learn how to do them. But if you have a 300 two-stroke, which seems like that's what a large majority of people are riding these days, Sherco, Beta, Husky, GASGAS, KTM, I think it makes it a little tad bit easier. But anyhow, we look forward to kind of seeing if we can help people learn how to do some slow wheelies. I'm not a master of it by any means, but I have put a lot of time in on it, and to be honest with you, I love it. It's fun, it's a blast, and it's just something when you're anywhere you can have a blast with. If you're just sitting around waiting for your buddies to get ready in the parking lot, do a wheelie. You're done with your ride, you got some extra energy, do a wheelie. Wheelies are freaking awesome. So anyhow, thanks for watching, stay tuned. Wheelies like this. So please stay tuned to check out our wheelie tutorial. Why? Because wheelies are awesome. Wheelies are fun. Wheelies are exciting. Wheelies are dope. Wheelies are just awesome. Wheelies are what you want to be doing with your time, because wheelies are wheelie cool and wheelies are wheelie fun. Thanks for watching.